Good morning, how nice is this? So nice and sunny. It's still cold actually, it's only about 3 or 4 degrees, so a bit of an experiment today. I've wrapped my feet in tinfoil, followed a tip on the GCN channel, gonna give it a go. I still haven't got the winter boots, maybe one day they'll come back into stock, by then it will be summer. So anyway, trying everything else in the meantime to keep warm feet and let you know how that goes. Oh, that's bumpy. I followed all the top tips for warm feet. I put my shoes in the airing cupboard. I put nice warm socks on. I made myself look as hot as I possibly could before I came out. And then I wrapped my feet in tin foil. So if that doesn't keep me warm, nothing will. Apart from new shoes, of course. Unfortunately, I ordered some off the web and they didn't fit. And now the right size is out of stock. So there you go. But it's a nice day. Wrapped up nice and toasty. We've basically decided that gravel bikes should really be called pothole bikes, because that's really what you need them for around here. There's not much gravel. We're both quite tempted by a new road orientated gravel bike. Well, having promised Joe that we definitely wouldn't be flooded today, you can see what we've got. Look at this, it's a proper river. The road has turned into a lake slash river.
It's a wheelie all the way across.
Look, we're wheeling. Nice day though, isn't it? Yeah. Do a few little pictures, put them on Instagram. Look nice. So nice of people to slow down. Tippy toe, tippy toe.
This is really my average speed.
Is it slippery enough for you?
That's really slippery. I didn't like it.
Admittedly, it is a little bit warmer today than it was last weekend, but by this point my feet were getting cold last week, and today I've actually got warm toes. I can't believe it. So fall around the toes is working for me so far. You might not like them. I've got a banana chewy thing. I've got the Cliff energy blocks, so a bit like chewing on lumps of jelly, and I've got a gel.
Nice.
Probably none of those are your cup of tea. Yeah, you go first, Joe.
Oh,
you can show me on the film how deep it's going to be.
Oh, no.
Come on, go, go, go! It's not that deep. Promise, promise. Oh, it's quite muddy though. Watch out for the potholes. Oh, that was quite wet. Everything's squeaking because it's wet. Did I just get you a bit wet?
Very wet.
Sorry, my darling.
It's not very
I forgot my mudguard again. So nice. Can't see anybody swimming today. It's a perfect day for it though, if you don't mind a bit of nippy water. What a difference a week makes. Last week I was coming here, it was flurries of snow. So it feels pretty warm now. There's definitely been no issues with getting cold today. My feet have cooled down a little bit, but they're not numb, they're not cold. So, good experiment. I thought the GCM boys reckoned there's one more kind of hack. You can stick those kind of reusable hand warmer things in the tops of your shoe covers if you've still got cold feet, which I'd definitely try that. But yeah, for now, probably near the top of the clumps, exactly the same route as last week, but so different, such a different ride. Bit more water to contend with, a lot more sunshine, super nice views, super nice. Give you a quick glimpse of the sheep and the beautiful countryside. Absolutely heaving up here today. It's already, well, it's probably getting on for midday now, but so nice. Anyway, that's pretty much the end for us today.
Oh.
It's busy, eh?